Hey everyone, AJ here with another episode of Building Your Website in Softer. Demo, sure, let's go demo. So Softer, if you guys haven't noticed, is a little no-code tool I've been kind of doing videos for. I'm actually starting my Webflow channel, my main channel, today. And I might even start a Figma as well, just to share some knowledge. Those are the products I use the most. But for this one, we're just gonna create a feature section of our website, and I just want to show you how easy this is. It's literally insane. So if I go to blocks and I go to feature, I mean, look at feature grid. Yeah, I like feature grid better. Look at all these like building blocks they have already. I mean, I'll add this to page. I'll add this to page. I'll add this to page. Yeah, so feature grids, man, these are important, right? You have an app or you have a product, excuse me. This is something that you're going to need to communicate to people what it does, like why do they want to use it. And so you can create your own, design your own, but I think what Softer does really well, Softer eliminates the process of having to hire a good designer. I do think Square and Wix, they do a good job of being able to build a website, but to me, Softer seems a little bit more modern and more focused on the trends right now. Like these are all like legit trends in the industry right now, right? Like everyone has this. Cards as well. These type of cards are nice. Um, these columns. And look, guys, you come in here and look how like you can really customize this stuff, man. Like this isn't hard. This is for each little column here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy. And the best part about this is you can change out the image, you can add the title, descriptions, very easy. You can add a background image, you can change the subtitle, you can change the text. But my favorite part is how responsive this is, guys. I mean, it's naturally already responsive. I mean, look at this. This looks amazing. Right? This looks really good. But like I said, the only decline is that if you were to change this text here and you were to make it, let's make it like a 2. If we go back to desktop view, it's a 2, right? And that's the one thing I love about Webflow is Webflow has separate properties for whatever device you're designing for. So for desktop, you could have a size 60 font, but for mobile, you could have a size 15, which is cool. So yeah, guys, this is it, man. I'm gonna keep building these little videos, short videos showing Softer and how easy it is. And once I get through a couple more, we're actually gonna build just a basic website. Yeah, take it from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Check out my last Softer videos, and yeah, I'll see you over there.